I have two plants here that are ready to move up. This one is a snapdragon and it has a taproot system. This one is a digitalis and all the leaves come out of one center point. So when you're planting, this one stays at the same soil level. This one I could actually plant deeper if I wanted to. So I'm going to show you how to do this. These are about the same height, but I still want to put a little bit of soil down in the bottom of the pots. And I just gently squeeze the pot like this. And I'm just going to gently put him down in there, push him down just a little, and then backfill. This one, I can just go up the stem. It's not going to matter. On this plant, the digitalis, it's called a crown plant because all the leaves come out of that central point. I'm going to squeeze gently again. You can, if the roots are starting to circle the bottom, you can gently loosen them like this. Put him in there. And now when I backfill, I want to be very careful that I don't get a lot of soil down into the crown.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.